Hi everyone, I am Shweta Ramesh. Welcome to Easy Classes. Today I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your Mac OS or MacBook Air. So before going to the topic, first subscribe to our channel and click the like button for notifications. Don't waste your time, let's jump into the tutorial. First go to the browser, search for code.visualstudio.com download. So first option only you will get that code.visualstudio.com. So click on the first option. So now you will get the website code.visualstudio.com. Here I want to download for macOS. So I think you can see here MacBook symbol is there. Click the download button. Here file is downloading. Left bottom you can see it will take time. So until download you need to wait. Now it's completed. We'll go to that file. Click on show all button. Click on show in folder. You will find the VS Code file. It's in zip format. You need to extract it. Double click on it for extraction. So it's installed completely. Click on the Visual Studio Code icon. So click on open. So welcome screen is open. Now your Mac laptop install Visual Studio Code. You can work on open the file folder, or you can install any required extensions for your work, Dart, Flutter or Java, anything whatever you want for your work you can install and you can start your work. Okay, thank you friends.